And we still ISO to the end. Still the same ones. Big up. You already know. One yard to Trinity. Still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Shit. Bad man Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mob until the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some.
I put them up there and they get this really nice kind of indirect light from the front windows. But I don't usually, I put like very few on the lower shelves, and you'll kind of see like the top shelves get the best light. So on the bottom ones, like the very bottom, I have other things in the corner, and then behind the lampshade I have like the baby mannequin head, because it's, you know, just not enough light for the Hoyas. I'm not doing any kind of grow light on them, but I do rotate them out like once a month. So once a month I go through and I pull them all down, and then I clean the shelf as, you know, pretty well, and then, you know, kind of inspect each one. And this is, you know, I do, you know, I inspect them at watering and stuff, but just to really like get a good look, see what's going on, but then rotate them out too. If I see one like, you know, hasn't grown that well, I might like move it onto the skylight or something. But anyway, you know, so it kind of like rotates. But I like the way they all look kind of crammed in there, and it looks like this little like jungle. So I might get one of those Soltech grow lights. I have one at the shop and it's fantastic. But to put on the ceiling above it for the winter, because when, you know, the light changes, then I will be wanting a little bit more light on them. But for now, they're okay. They're in natural light and it's working out all right. I have, you know, a few different fertilizers I use, but right now this is the one that I like to use. And, you know, I don't just water once a month. I water, you know, I kind of feel them and see. But I'm going to say, like, on average for the Hoyas, depending on like what they're potted in and stuff, I mean like once a week maybe. But yeah, so I take them all off of the shelf and I put them on this table. And I often think like, wouldn't it be lovely just to leave them on the table? But you can see I've got a baby gay back there. I'm not in the leaving things low and grabbing zone stage of life. But they do really look nice. So I do it like on, you know, whenever I do this kind of mass cleanup, I kind of do it when there's no babies roaming the house, so I can leave them out there because it takes me a little bit of time. But I go through and inspect each one and repot if necessary. And then on some of them, like they're so heavy on the front that I have to put rocks or stones towards the back side, so I can have them kind of popping out the front, like water falling out the front of the shelf without tipping over, because things happen. And like even as I was taking pictures of each individual one, like you know, one of them fell and broke, and it sucks. So what I'm going to do is maybe just, instead of like going into like every Hoya, because we have so many, I'm going to just like show you a picture of each one before I put them back on the shelf, and then I'll put the name below. And I think that will be the best way to kind of go through the entire collection.
And we still ISO to the end. Still the same ones. Big up. You already know. One yard to Trinity, you don't know. Let's get And we still ISO to the end. Still the same ones. Big up. You already know.
Y'all to Trinity, you don't know. Let's get it.
We still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Cheese. Bad man Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, rude gal shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. And the day came, still thumbing through the night, chance of light rain. I guess I really gotta show you about this Trinity King. I guess this is how it is when you from the island, man. So I took a flight to Tobago, FOG down. Man's on the ends, Londonville to the C-town. Remo with a schema and a beamer with the T down. And she wanna know me, tell me, baby, what you need now. A little buddy. Bubble up your pop, mix the curry, go dummy. Whole fam, ice on no funny. From the Ville to the Ville, shout out Teddy, that's a tuggy. Still the same ones. When it come to chats, we don't take none. Cheese. Bad man Jamaican. Trinity global sensation. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, rude gal shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come.
Say they want smoke when we see them, they don't say none. Yeah, they all talk on them stories, they be